At PixElement, we're transforming the way you manage and share data with 3 powerful new features, designed to save you time and deliver precision where it matters most. First up is the Profile Viewer. This tool allows you to analyze elevation changes and measure grades directly on your map in the canvas. Just draw a polyline, click View Profile, and instantly access a detailed elevation graph showing vertical changes over the cross-section. Whether you're planning site grading, managing water flow, or analyzing terrain, the Profile Viewer simplifies complex elevation workflows. Export your data effortlessly in 3D, DXF, or CSV formats to share with your team. Next, meet the Volume Report, a streamlined way to summarize and share detailed volume data. Export polished PDF reports with all the metrics you need, cut and fill volumes, surface areas, and more. Whether you're tracking progress or ensuring compliance, these reports are professional, precise, and ready to share. Lastly, we have developed the ability to snap in the survey canvas, which allows users to get work done more efficiently. When enabled, the snapping tool automatically snaps your cursor to the nearest vertex or edge of an existing geometric object, like a point or polyline, allowing you to make precise connections and adjustments. This enhances accuracy and speeds up your workflow, making complex designs more manageable. Try PixElement's Profile Viewer, Volume Report, and new snapping tool today.